Hi, this is Imagine Again Jim. My goal is to help people think in new ways and to make new connections. The word for connections in Italian is connessioni. My first question is, how are train tracks like eating an ice cream cone? Or, how are train tracks like eating a popsicle? The last question is, how are train tracks like eating an ice cream sandwich? I look forward to your responses, so please share them with me on my Facebook page or my YouTube channel. And finally, remember to imagine again and imagine more. Thank you.